Hi, my name is Amanda. I'm from Chile and I've been at Buffelsdrift for 2 weeks right now. This program has a lot of different stuff. I wanted to do something different that I could not do in my own country. So I love that we can do conservation stuff, also work with animals that I have never seen in my life. That's really fun and interesting. And also social work. And I'm very into that as well. So I just wanted to do something that I could give and also win like a lot of knowledge and experience. Oh, I would for sure feed the animals. I think that's a very amazing experience. I've never done something similar to that, so that's very good. And also just be with the cheetahs. They are amazing. I didn't know elephant poop was so useful, so that was a big discovery for me. You can use it to make plant pots, and then it's easier to just spread more trees and stuff around the environment. Oh, the people for sure. I've just met wonderful people here. The team is amazing and their passion for what they do and their work, it's just very contagious, so that's been great. I think that I'm going back with some new friends, and that's the thing that I'll most cherish about all this experience. Oof, the heat. The heat is very crazy here, but just a lot of water and just laughing with all of the team. The day goes by so fast that the heat doesn't bother you at the end of the day, but that's for sure one of the things I struggled with. I would think it's been very fulfilling. It's a new experience, and it's been a happy 2 weeks, very happy 2 weeks. Oh, the people for sure. The team and just learning about stuff that I haven't heard before, being with animals that are not from our country, so that's been very fun. Oh, be open to the experience and ask all the questions that come to mind, because that's the way that you're gonna really know how the programs work and be able to help more. Final message, if you have the opportunity to do a volunteer like this one, even if it's in another place, but Buffelsdrift has been very amazing, so if you have the chance to be here and have this experience, I wouldn't miss it.